A very warm and a pleasant good morning to my lovely students of class 6. And we have completed all the types of revisions, right? Whether it is grammar, whether it is literature, whether it is writing skill, whether it is reading skill, we have done everything, right? And my students are saying that, ma'am, a complete revision is done, but one chapter we want to understand it once again. That is the poem. The name of the poem is The Ant Explorer. Before I start the explanation, a short summary, not the explanation, a short summary, I would like to give you all some hints for your examination. First of all, the hints are as follows. We should have lots of writing practice. Set the timer in front of you. Start remembering all the question, writing all the question answers, or story, or a letter. Just you practice. You can become your own teacher. Take any topic from anywhere. Right. Set the timer in front of you. That 10 minutes is the time I will complete one letter. Start, take the copy, you know the format, start writing it. Okay. Close it after 10 minutes. See whether you are able to complete your letter in 10 minutes or not. If not, then how much time you are taking. This is known as time management. What I am teaching you today, time management. In proper time, proper things have to be completed with proper question, proper handwriting, correct spellings, correct format, beautifully presented, and with a good English. The most important thing is that Kushal, Beta, all the students will keep their videos on, or else I will keep it off. Now, what is important, what I was teaching today is, that is time management. You have to take care of the correct time. At the proper time, you have to start at the proper time, you have to end your question. If it is not done, then you will judge yourself that how I can correct myself, how I can improve myself, how I can check out myself that where I am wrong. Okay, are you getting me? आई बात समझ में? Am I clear? Now same, in the same manner, I can give questions from any corner of the chapter. It can be on the topic, it can be on the writer's name, it can be in the poet's name, कुछ भी पूछ सकते. If I have taught the chapter, if I have taught the poem, that means I can ask questions from any corner of the chapter. It can be word meaning, it can be any scene, it can be any line, it can be any question, it can be related to the writer's name. I can ask you who is the poet of the poem The Ant Explorer. I can ask you any name. I can ask you any name of the chapter. I can ask you the writer of that particular chapter. Okay, I can ask anything. When I have taught, that means मुझे मेरे बच्चों को सब कुछ आना चाहिए. So what is important, I will check out. That is handwriting. Wait, Kushal. Next is spelling. Third is presentation. Proper way of nicely written in the copy. Date. I told you how to start the question. If it is from part A, question number 1, then you will write the first letter and dot dot in the last, the question mark. And then you will write the complete. If it is MCQ, then you will write the complete answer. Are you getting me? If it is MCQ, don't leave the question number and the answer number and leave it. ऐसा ना होगा तो मैं पूरे marks काट दूंगी. For example, question number 1, Roman number 1 का A correct answer है. So what you wrote? Question number 1, Roman number 1, A bus. What is A? I don't know A. You have to write the complete answer. Okay. It should be neat and clean copy. The copy should be 100% neat and clean. No gitch pitch cut pit, nothing. Try to be honest. Try to be genuine. डोंट गूगल द आंसर्स, चीटिंग नहीं करेंगे, बी ऑनेस्ट. द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज बी ऑनेस्ट. Okay, next we come to this. I taught you how to write in the question paper. Date should be mentioned. Next we come to the making of PDFs. Making of PDF, with the help of the scanner, scan it properly. Don't show the pictures of the table, of the bed sheet, of your legs, of your hands. No, I want exactly the page what has been written, and it should be in a proper sequence. Put page numbers. आप जब आंसर शीट लिखेंगे, क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे, इन योर कॉपी यू विल पुट पेज नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 3, तो गलतियां नहीं होती हैं. आपको समझ में आई बात? Am I very clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first page will be of your name, class, roll number नहीं है तो ID. Okay, getting me? And take the proper click. सिर्फ मुझे कॉपी का चाहिए, मुझे और आजू बाजू का कुछ भी सीन सीनरी नहीं चाहिए. And it should not be कुछ हॉरिजॉन्टल, कुछ वर्टिकल होता है, कुछ हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है, कुछ उल्टा होता है. Right? I don't want this type of PDFs. I want proper PDFs. जैसे हम पेज पलटाते हैं वैसे प्रॉपर PDFs होने चाहिए. Am I clear? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सीधा सीधा होना चाहिए, सीधा सीधा होना चाहिए. आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं घर पे एक आध दो PDF बना के. Right? Next is rename the PDF in your name. Like for example, Sonu is submitting the paper. So Sonu will write Sonu bed, right? Sonu bed final exam English paper 2021. Clear, Sonu? Got it, everyone? Like Cheshta final exam 2021 English paper. Got it? With the ID. ID is also important. ID is very, very important. Okay? Cheshta ID final exam English paper. Cheshta ID final exam maths paper. Whatever it is, rename it as per your name. आप घर पे एक आध PDF बना के practice कर सकते हैं. Very clear to everyone? So today I taught you what is time management. Time पे खत्म करना है.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is our roll number?
No roll number this time, this year. You will only with the help of the ID we are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, admission numbers?
Yes, beta, admission ID.
मैम जैसे पीरियोडिक में हुए थे वैसे पेपर होंगे कि जैसे हाफ ईयरली में हुए थे वैसे होंगे?
80 marks paper.
यस मैम, लेकिन मैम पहले सब्जेक्टिव अलग थे और ऑब्जेक्टिव अलग थे, वैसे होंगे?
No, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. In one
मैम जैसे पीरियोडिक में हुए थे.
In one question paper you will be having 2 parts. 40 marks of part A, 40 marks of part B. 40 marks part A will be of completely objective types.
तो मैम उसको भी कॉपी में ही लिखना है ना?
कॉपी में लिखना है. Everything will be written.
ओके मैम.
Nothing. And proper sequence में करेंगे. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 ऐसे solve करेंगे. कोई कूदेगा नहीं यहाँ से वहां. Clear?
Excuse me.
यस मैम, क्लियर.
Yes. Any doubt? Anika?
Ma'am, you will give topics for paragraph?
For paragraph writing? Any topic I can give, like you can write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Any topic I can give, like right now. Wait, let me think.
Ma'am, only date and...
Huh? Any questions? Paragraph writing I can give like father the backbone of the family.
Ma'am, so that time you will give the topics or you will give
any topic. Okay? Any topic you have to write down. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in any chapter you will give any type of paragraph writing.
Any type of?
Ma'am, in any story you will give 3 lines, then we want to complete that type, that thing.
Scene passage. Scene passage you're talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
I can give. I will chalk out from any chapter, the chapters which are coming in exam. From those chapters I will be giving you and I will ask you questions on that. Simple.
Ma'am, but your voice is coming so clearly.
No, everyone can hear me very clearly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is so much network problem today.
That is your problem, not my problem.
Ma'am, anytime it end the class.
Okay, we will rejoin again. Now, let us start with the revision. So this was about your examination, how to write an examination, how to manage your time, how to do the time management, how to make PDFs, how to prepare, how to write in the answer, as an answer sheet. These are the very, very important points which was needed to be discussed in the class. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me again. And now I will explain you a very short summary which you want that ma'am please explain us once again the Ant Explorer. Okay, so let us start with it. Fine. A revision of Ant Explorer. Once a little sugar ant made up his mind to roam, to fare away, far away from home. He had eaten all his breakfast and he had his ma's consent to see what he should chance to see, and here's the way he went. Up and down a fern frond, round and round a stone, down a gloomy gully where he loathed to be alone. Now let's start with the meaning again. Now I will explain you line wise. Once a little sugar ant made up his mind to roam. एक छोटे से प्यारे से जो चीटी शुगर खाती है ना वो वाली चीटी, right? A small ant decided that कि मैं अब घर से बाहर जाऊंगा, मैं अभी अपने आप खाना ढूंढूंगा and I will do all my work by myself. So that ant decided that everything I will do it by my own. So the ant wants to become an individual, a living organism now. He doesn't want anybody's help. So no, to fare away, far away from home. उसको कहाँ जाना था? घर से बहुत दूर. Why? Because he wants to, that ant wants to learn everything in his life by its own. Okay. Now, he had eaten all his breakfast. Means he has, when you move out from home, Mama says, na, don't go out in empty stomach, don't move here, there in empty, don't roam here and there, always have something and then only move out from home. So that ant had the breakfast, its tummy was full, and he took his mama's consent that Mama says, na, aisa karna, waisa karna, listen to this, listen to that, don't roam here and there, cross the road properly. So every time Mama gives you lots of guidance and care that how to move in life ahead. He had eaten all his breakfast and he had his ma's consent. to see what he should chance to see, and here's the way he went. अब वो आगे बढ़ गया अपनी दुनिया में आगे जाने के लिए, and he wants to learn so many things. So for that he went out. Up and down a fern frond. Fern frond means, you know, there is a fern, there is a plant known as fern plant. उसकी पत्तियां you can see in the book. It's a beautiful leaf having lots of leaf in a sub branch, as a sub branches. तो कभी उस चींटी वो पेड़ पे चढ़ती, कभी उतरती, फिर चढ़ती, फिर उतरती, फिर चढ़ती, फिर and roaming here and there in trees and plants and ponds, right? So this was the next part. Down a gloomy gully where he loved to be alone. फिर एक छोटी सी गली में चली जाती जहाँ पे वो अपने आप को अकेला पाती. Now that Anne thinks that this is the correct time to learn so many things in life, because right now I am alone and I know how to serve myself. So beta, when we are alone now, what is the actual moral of this particular paragraph is, when we are alone, we start learning so many things, because at that time no one will come and help you out. Okay, at that time you will start looking into it कि अब मुझे कौन help करेगा, but आखिरी में आप अपना help खुद ही करते हैं, right? And you learn so many things in that particular tough situation. Also you start learning so many things, isn't it? So this was the main moral of the value of this particular paragraph. Up a mighty mountain range 7 inches high, through the fearful forest grass that nearly hit the sky, out along a broken bridge, bending in the moss, till he reached a dreadful desert, then was feet and feet across. Now, कभी वो छोटे छोटे पहाड़ पे चढ़ता, कभी गलियों में घुसता, कभी पेड़ पे चढ़ता, कभी रेत में चलता. So he actually wants to move from one place to another. He wants to survey the things here and there. He wants to learn so many things in life. So he is moving from one place to the another. 'Twas a dry, deserted desert and trackless land to tread. He wished that he was home again and tucked up tightly in bed. वो इतना थक गया था, इतना थक गया था, इतना थक गया था, that the end was feeling like now is the time to go back to my home, and I'm so tired. I just want to sleep on my bed. His little legs were wobbling. His strength was nearly spent. And उसके पैर कांप रहे थे. वो tired था. He was feeling so drowsy. है ना? There is the way he went. Again, here's the way he went. Back away from desert lands, feet and feet across. Back along a broken bridge, bending in the moss. Back away from the desert lands, feet and feet across. Desert में कैसे खूब चलना पड़ता है, moving from one place to another, tired. Means the ant is totally tired. Back along a broken bridge पार करता है, and he has to walk so much, and get tired of bending in the moss. Through the fearful forest grass, shutting out in the sky, up a mighty mountain range, 7 inches high. फिर वो पहाड़ से उतरना, चढ़ना, पौधों पे चढ़ना, उतरना, घर आने के लिए he has to work so hard. He has to come back to his home. He has to come back to all the ways he went. जैसा वो गया तो वैसे उसको वापस आना पड़ेगा. It's the toughest, na? His legs were paining very badly. It was getting shivered, moving from one place to the another. The ant was so tired. Down a gloomy gully where he noted to be alone. Again, the same gully. Up and down a fern frond, round and round the stone. Up and down again in that pond. A dreary ant, resolved no more to roam. अब वो डिसाइड कि भैया मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, अब मुझसे घूमते फिरते नहीं बनता है. मैं आई एम टायर्ड ऑफ, आई डोंट नो how my parents do that. He staggered up the garden path and popped back home. फिर वही garden path से घर वापस आया और थक के हार के, he was tired, that was totally tired. He said that now is the time I should take rest. So this was the very short poem and a story of ant, where ant actually, देखो, this is the literal meaning. There are every time na beta, in every poem, in every story, there are two types of meaning. One is the literal meaning, जो कि line to line का meaning होता है. Another is the inner meaning, जो जिससे हमें उसकी moral values पता चलती है. To which we come to know. Aram Jain, please change, rename yourself, beta. So what I was saying is that we have always an urge of knowing something, okay, and moving ahead in life. So here what lesson do we learn? The lesson which we learn is that we should never stop. We should never stop ourselves, whichever the situation is, whatever the condition is. We should move ahead in life. Second point, we should also explore ourselves. We should also come to know that who we all are. हम कौन हैं? Our parents are taking care of us, but are we taking care of our parents? No. These are the small things through which we come to know that how we can develop ourselves. हम लाइफ में कितना कुछ सीख सकते हैं, आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Clear? I guess it is very clear to everyone. I guess it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure? Sure. Are you all sure? Are you all sure, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt? No doubt, beta?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Now
No
I will
doubt.
give you that one topic. Now everyone has to keep the cameras on. I'm moving into the gallery part.
Ma'am, I will on my camera, then I didn't listen your voice clearly.
Kushal.
Yes, ma'am. There is some more network problem.
Beta, in examination now we will have exam duty. And in exam duty, how we have to sit is, you all are going to keep the cameras on and you will sit on your table and a chair. You have to sit on a table and a chair. In a proper place, proper way you will sit and give the examination. And the camera will be faced on you and the camera both. Copy both. And we will judge you all. You cannot move as you are giving in the examination in the exam hall. The same manner you will be giving in the home also. So you have to sit at one place, proper table and a chair is needed, and you have to sit and give the exam exactly for 3 hours. You cannot move.
Ma'am, this time there is live exam.
Live exam. Okay.
Ma'am, my video is on, but in participants it's showing off.
Leave it. What about the rest of the students? And in exam time, those who will switch on their off their cameras, they will be disqualified and their papers will not be accepted. Clear?
Can I off now?
No,
Because
now you will write exactly in the like examination. Okay, Kushal, you off it. Kushal, you off it. Write down on the topic father as the backbone of the family. Write 120 to 150 words as a one paragraph. Topic is father as the backbone of the family. Your time starts now. 6 minutes time given. 6. Switch on your cameras, all of you. Except Kushal. Start writing, I said. चेष्टा, चाहत, अरम, प्रतीक, रूबी, तानी, हार्दिक, निमिषा, आर्यन, तन्मयता. Cameras on, start writing.
Ma'am, what is the topic? Is father the backbone
of the family. Father the backbone of the family. Four minutes left. Three minutes. 2 minutes. One minute.
My
Who has completed, the child will show me the thumbs up. Okay, Chahat, you can read out. Please read out.
A father's role in the family is the important for its growth and development. I would say that it's more or less than a mother's role, because that would be like saying your left leg or your right leg is more important. You need both of them to stand and walk and run. My father plays a big role in my life. He is not my father, he is my best friend.
Okay, you can write more about it, right? You can
Yes,
describe
ma'am,
it
I will
more.
write.
Okay, you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
write more. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. We will meet in the next class with something more knowledgeable. Right? Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.